Welcome to module 8 of this course. In this module, we are going to talk about how to cut and how to edit in CapCut. All right. Remember in the former module, that's module 7, we talked about the interface of CapCut, which I showed you all of the features that you can use when you're doing your editing. All right. So in this module, I'm going to show you how you can do your cutting and how you can do your editing in CapCut. All right. So quickly, what we are going to do now is to go to the CapCut app. We'll click on it. Okay. Already, I have a video that I have already downloaded that we're going to use to do our editing. Okay. I have a video for that. So I'm just going to show you the major things we are going to be doing in this module. The first thing we are going to do, I'm going to show you how to import your video. All right, how to import your video that you want to edit. I'm going to show you how to add video overlays to your videos. When we say video overlay, we're talking about adding videos on top of your video. You understand? Like there are some cases now, maybe you're talking about something and then a video appears on the same video you are making. Maybe let's say you're telling people about how to cook fried rice, and then as you're talking about it and you're saying mix the pepper, mix the carrots, cut your leaves and all that, as you're saying that, another video appears on your screen showing your finger while you are cutting the carrots and all of that. So that is what we call video overlay. Okay, I'm also going to show you how to do picture overlay, how to overlay an image on your video. Okay, that can be used maybe when you're talking about something and you want to show people a screenshot. Like for instance, now I can create a video for TikTok telling people that I made this amount of money in 2 weeks. All right, so it will be nice when I'm saying that a screenshot of the money shows. Are you getting it on the screen? You see that? Now I'm going to show you how to do that, and I'm going to show you how to add fake background to your video. Where that is important is, let's say the where you are recording is not too comfortable like that for your screen. Maybe the place is not fine and the background of is not good enough, but you just want to record. You can record and then change the background. Are you getting now? So I'll show you how to do that, and I'll also show you how to use transitions in CapCut. That is what we are going to be covering in this module. Okay, so having said that, let's just go straight into the video. Let me show you how to do your cutting and your editing. So to start editing now, what you need to do first is to import your video. You should already have your video that you want to use for your work. Maybe a video for a client you want to edit, or a video that you want to make yourself. Okay, if it's a video you have shot yourself, fine. If it's a video from a client, fine. Okay, whatever video you have to edit, the first thing to do is to come into CapCut, and then you come to this place that says new project. You click on new project. All right, you click on new project, and then you select any video that you want to pick. Are you getting now? You should have the video already in your folder. Okay, so let's say for the sake of this video, for the sake of this course, let's say we are doing a video for TikTok. We're doing a video for TikTok, a video that talks about travel. All right, a travel video for TikTok, for a faceless TikTok page or a faceless TikTok channel, however it is. We're just doing a video about travel. Okay, so we'll click on this one that is on top, which is the video I got from the internet. All right, I'm going to show you how to download free videos from the internet. So once you select that, you see it here, you click on add. Once you click on add, it will be added. Are you seeing this now? It has been added to your interface. So what you need to do now is to make sure that you set it to the aspect ratio that fits the aspect ratio of TikTok. Are you getting now? Remember, this is already in landscape. This video was downloaded as a landscape aspect ratio. We have to set it to portrait so that it can fit into our TikTok page. Are you getting now? Not that this cannot fit in, but it doesn't make sense when people are watching it like this. Okay, for TikTok. Are you getting it now? Remember the last module, one of the modules when we talked about how to place your videos, your phone when you are videoing. Remember landscape, remember portrait. Okay, so to set the aspect ratio for TikTok, we are going to scroll here. As you can see, this is aspect ratio. We're going to click on it once. This is the first thing I always do whenever I want to edit my videos. First of all, I need to know where am I posting the video. Once you understand where you are posting the video, it will help you to know how you are going to set your aspect ratio. Okay, so if you're putting it on TikTok, you're going to click on this TikTok option that says 9:16. If you are putting it on YouTube, you can leave it like this. It's still safe. If you are putting it on Instagram, you can see this one. Are you seeing it now? If you're putting it on maybe other options, then you go and choose any one that I say. But for the sake of TikTok, we'll choose this one. Are you seeing now? You can see it has rearranged the page. So what you need to do here now is to use your finger, place your 2 fingers on the screen and drag. Are you seeing this now? The more you drag, the more it fills up the screen. Can you see now? This is how to do it. Are you seeing? Good. So once you're done with that, you click on this good at the right side below. You click on it once and it has saved. So what is the next thing to do here? The next thing to do here is to play it to see. Are you seeing? The video is playing already. That's fantastic. Now let's say we want to import another video, which we call video overlay. All right, you want to lay another video on top of this. Okay, let me show you how to do that. So what you will do is to come to this place. You scroll here. Are you seeing this now? You scroll here and then you pick this place that says overlay. Let's say we want our viewers to see first. We want our viewers to see a boat that is cruising on water, and then the next thing we want them to see is somebody in a swimming pool. Are you getting now? So let's add that now. So we come to overlay here and click on overlay. You click on it again, and once you click on it again, let's pick this guy. Can you see this guy here? We pick him. Are you seeing now? Then we click on add. Are you seeing now? Now let's enlarge it to enter the screen a little bit. Are you seeing now? Let's enlarge it to enter the screen a little bit. Good. So let's play it and see. We play it. You can see the 2 things showing. So our viewers will be seeing something like this when we export the video, but we cannot export this video like this. You can see this one is longer than the original video, so we have to cut it. Are you getting now? We have to cut it. So we drag it here and drag to this point, and then to cut this particular video of this guy that is in the pool, what we need to do is to click on the image. Click on this. Are you seeing this now? Once you click on this, it will activate this image. Are you getting now? So once you click on it, it will activate this image and it will activate this place below here. Are you getting now? So we will click on split. Once you click on split once, it will cut it. Are you seeing now? Then you click on delete to delete what you don't want. We'll click on delete. So once we click on delete, it has been deleted. We click here and delete this ending. Are you seeing now? So now let's look at the video. You can see the 2 of them is playing together. But now, for the sake of engagement, for the sake of enjoying this video. We don't just want this guy to just appear immediately at the beginning of the video. We want to first see the boat cruising to some point, and then we see the guy appear. You understand? You want to make your video very engaging. Now what we are going to do is to add animation to this. Are you getting this now? We're going to add animation to this video, this particular video, this one that the guy is in the pool. So what we are going to do is to click on it. Once you click on it, it will activate the features below. All right, and then we'll click on animate or animations. Once you click on animations, what we will now do is to add transition to it. Are you getting now? So this is the part where we add transition to the video. So the best transition that I always like to use in this kind of video is to add fade in or fade out. All right, if you go and add this one, see the way it will enter. You see, if you add this one, see the way it will enter. If you add this one, see the way it will enter, which is not really engaging for me. So what I'm going to do is to add the fade in. You see the way it faded in very fast. You see it. So the speed of your transition depends on this timer that is below here. Because it is 0.5 seconds, you can see it's very quick. Okay, so to make it slow so that the flow will be smoother, we'll have to increase the seconds. Are you see? We have to increase the timing. So we do it like that and play. Now let's watch it. Can you see the way it's slowly entering? Very beautiful. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. See the way it's entering slowly. Can you see? Slowly is entering. Can you see? It enters. Are you seeing now? Very smooth. You understand? Now we want the transition to fade in and fade out. Are you getting it now? So we come back to this image now. All right, we'll come back to this video, and then once you click on it, it brings off the features here, and we click on animation. We click on animation, and then we go to out. See this option here, out. We go to out, and then we click on fade out. We click on fade out, and we drag the timer to this point so that the fading out will take a little while, not that it will just rush out like that. And once we are done with that, we click on the good on the right side below. Click on it. Are you seeing this now? So let's look at what we have just done. Watch this now. Slowly coming in, slowly coming in, slowly going out. Can you see now? Beautiful. Can you see how that worked now? So we have just looked at transitions. Now what is the next thing to do now? What is the next thing to do? Let's say we want to tell people that this video is about people that make money online, and if you make money online, you can make enough money that can help you to travel to any country of your choice. Do you understand what we're saying? We are using this video to let people know that you can actually travel to any country of your choice if you can make enough money for yourself with the internet. Are you getting now? So to do that, what we need to do is to add an image which we call picture overlay. Are you getting now? We want to add a picture on top of the video. Are you getting now? You can use that whenever you're doing an explanation or you want to actually show people some proof with a screenshot. Are you getting now? So I'm going to add a picture overlay to this now. So what we are going to do, we are going to click on the overlay again. Click on overlay. Now when we click on overlay, you can see that all of these videos you are seeing here are videos that is under the video section of the overlay. But if you want to add pictures, you want to add picture overlay, you're going to come to this place that says photos. Then we click on photos once. Once you click on photos once, it will open up all the photos in your gallery, and then you can now scroll and scroll and scroll. Can you see? Now you pick this photo now. All right, once you click on it, you select it, and then you click on add. Once you click on add, it will be added to your screen. Can you see this now? But if you notice, it has covered what we want to enjoy in the video. So what we need to do is to edit this. Okay, so to edit this, we are going to have to cut off some things that we don't want to be seen. All right, so to do that, this image is still highlighted. What we are going to do, we'll come to these features that are below here and scroll to the left until you see transform. Can you see transform there? You click on transform. You see transform here. If we want to rotate it, we click on this, it will rotate. Can you see? It will rotate. If we want to mirror it, which is not an option that I use, but what we want to do is to resize. So we click on this. Once we click on it, we can now resize it. Are you seeing this now? We can now resize it. Are you seeing now? We can now resize. You get this now? Good. And then once we are satisfied with what we have just done, you click on the good sign that is at the top right. Click on it once. Once you click on it once, you can see that it has settled in. Are you seeing this now? We can now bring it to any part of our video. All right, now let's play the video. Watch this now. Watch this. Can you see? Now something is not really organized here. You can see that it's covering the boat and is not really flowing to the end of the video. Can you see? So we want it to come maybe in the middle, or it should not start from the beginning, right? So we're going to move this to this point. We're going to move this to this point and then drag this somewhere to the end. Okay, drag this somewhere to the end. Are you seeing this now? Let's play it from the beginning. We play it like this. You can see the video. See the way it appeared now. You get? So I want to make this smaller. I'll click on this and I'll drag it to go down. Are you seeing this now? I can put it here if I like, or maybe I can put it at the top here. All right, you can put it at the top there. Anywhere you want to put it, you can put it anywhere. All right, now let's play. See the way it's appearing. Good. Are you getting this now? Now I don't want this to just appear just like that on the screen. I want it to zoom in, to fade in. I mean to say, I'll click on this image again and it will activate these features below. I'll click on animations again. Once I click on animations, I'll click on fade in. Once I fade in, I will drag this to this point. Drag it to any point I like. Fade in. Can you see? Good. So I don't want it to fade out. I just want it to be there. So I'll leave the fade out for now. Good. Let's play the video again. Now, if we want to play this video on a larger screen, we want to see the full screen of the phone. What we're going to do is to click on this place. Can you see this place? I'll click on it. It will enlarge it. Can you see? And then I'll click on play. Once I click on play, you can see the video is playing already. Can you see how everything is coming out very smooth? Can you see? Can you see how everything is coming out very smooth? Beautiful. Now that is everything in the full screen. So to go back to the editing mode, we click on this this sign here that is at the bottom right. We click on it once. Once you click on it once, it takes us back to the editing mode. Okay, so this is just the simple edits that you can do. I've shown you how to cut. Okay, I've shown you how to add a video overlay to your videos. I've shown you how to import images, you know, on your videos. I've also shown you how to add simple transitions to your videos. Now you can play with all other options that you have. Okay, when you're doing your video, you can play with all other options that we have. In the next part, I'm going to show you how to add fake background to your video. Okay, we cannot cover that in this session so that it doesn't get too long. Okay, but in the next part, I'm going to show you how to add fake background to your video. Okay, so I'll see you in the next part.